Hello friends, welcome back to Cooking Greens. Happy UAE National Day to all my viewers. Today, the recipe I'm going to share with you is a very well-known Arabic sweet known as lukemat. Lukemat is like a sweet dumpling served with date syrup. I'm sure many of you must have tried this if you have visited Dubai. Friends, this recipe is going to be absolutely same and once again very easy. So हम बना रहे हैं लुकेमात. लुकेमात एक बहुत फेमस इमराती ट्रेडिशनल स्वीट है जो कि बहुत टेस्टी होती है और बहुत जल्दी बन भी जाती है. आई एम श्योर आपको भी ये रेसिपी बहुत अच्छी लगी. So without wasting any time, we are going to get into the kitchen. But before that, once again, Happy National Day to all the viewers of UAE and across the world. So the ingredients we require to make the lukemat, which is the sweet dumpling, we require corn flour, yogurt, sugar. This is a pinch of salt, dry yeast, oil, and here I have taken all-purpose flour, that's maida. Here is a glass of lukewarm water. So quickly, let's get started. The first thing I will do is take the all-purpose flour, that's maida. I've taken around 1 cup. Here we'll add 1 tablespoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, dry yeast 1 tablespoon, one tablespoon of cornstarch or corn flour, and 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Now we'll knead this into a dough. So जैसा कि मैंने बताया ये जो है लुकेमात एक स्वीट डम्पलिंग होता है. So यहाँ पे जो मैंने लिया है वो मैदा ली है, कॉर्नस्टार्च लिया है, शुगर ली है, सॉल्ट लिया है, ड्राई ईस्ट ली है मैंने, और उसका हम एक आटा गूंदेंगे गुनगुने पानी से. So let's quickly get started. बहुत हार्ड डो नहीं होना चाहिए इसका. We'll make it into a very soft dough. तो इस तरीके का डो हमें बनाना है. इसको बहुत हार्ड नहीं करना है. अब हम इसमें जो टीस्पून ऑफ ऑयल लिया था वो हम डालेंगे और इसको अच्छी तरीके से मिक्स करने के बाद में एक कपड़े से कवर करके या प्लास्टिक रैप से कवर करके हम रख देंगे. At least we have to keep this for about half an hour to 1 hour before frying the dumplings. So we will be covering it with a plastic wrap or some kitchen napkin and we'll let it rise. So इस तरीके से हम इसको wrap कर देंगे. We will wrap it into a plastic. I have taken here a plastic wrap. If you want, you can do it with any kitchen napkin or towel. And we will be keeping this in a warm place so that it rises nicely. So we are seeing it after almost 1 hour. You can keep for a little more, longer time also, but now we are ready. So 1 घंटे के बाद में बहुत अच्छे से ये राइज हो गया है. If you can see, the consistency we are looking for is perfect, and this is how we are going to be making it. And now we're going to deep fry them. So इस तरीके का बैटर होना चाहिए और अब हम इसको डीप फ्राई करेंगे. So here I have taken a pan to which I have added oil. आप कोई भी तेल ले सकते हैं और बहुत छोटे छोटे पोर्शन में we'll be frying them because eventually they will become big after popping up. So अभी हम तेल हीट होने देते हैं, उसके बाद में we will be frying. So इसको फ्राई करने से पहले हम इसको इस तरह बीट करेंगे अच्छे से. So इस तरह हम इसको बीट करेंगे so that everything inside gets properly mixed. Before frying we need to do this. Okay, so to fry this, it's on you how you want to fry, but we have to fry very small. आप चाहें तो इसको अपने हाथ से भी कर सकते हैं. और नहीं तो एक स्पून की हेल्प से जिस तरह मैं डाल रही हूँ उस तरह मीडियम लो फ्लेम पे हमें डालना है. So it's going to be very easy, and trust me friends, it's absolutely same recipe. You will really love it. So this is the way we can drop with hand also. It's up to you how you are comfortable, but very small portions we will be taking. Now we'll take this onto the paper towel. It's done very well. इसका कलर बिल्कुल ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, गोल्डनिश ब्राउन. We won't crowd it too much in the oil because नहीं तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा एक दूसरे से चिपकेंगे. So I have just taken few and medium low flame पे हम इसको फ्राई कर लेंगे so that it's done well from inside. Trust me guys, I stay in Dubai and trust me, it's going to be absolutely same. So आप घर बैठ के दुबई स्वीट्स का जो डम्पलिंग्स हैं ये लुके मात उसका मज़ा ले सकते हैं. This is one of my favorite and my kids' favorite too. This is the second batch I am frying. So as I showed you, you can drop with your hands also. And if you get the same size, it's very good. Otherwise, it's okay because you're making it at home. And size actually doesn't matter. So yes, now we'll remove them onto the paper towel. So अब हम इसकी plating करेंगे. We will do the plating, and this is how it is served here. और अब हम इसमें सिरप डालेंगे. Basically, date syrup is used in this. Which is served in Dubai, but if you don't have date syrup, you can use sugar syrup or honey. But इसका मज़ा जो है वो date syrup में ही है, and बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये गरम गरम. So this is just mix it a little properly so that the balls are coated well. और सर्व करने के लिए यहाँ पे वो जिस तरीके से सर्व होते हैं आप उसी तरीके से इसको सर्व करें. You can just take a toothpick and this is the way you got to eat. I hope you like this recipe. आप में से जिसने भी ये खाया होगा, I'm sure, believe me, you will say yes, definitely this is the perfect and absolutely same recipe. So if you like my recipe, please do not forget to subscribe, like and comment. So the lukemat are ready to eat, and I hope you enjoy this recipe.
So now I'm gonna try the lukemat my mom made for me. Crunchy. I love it. Believe me friends, it's absolutely what we get out in Dubai. I love it. So now, happy UAE National Day to all of you. And now I'm gonna eat this lukemat.